So you're a student and you're looking for the best side hustle to start in 2024. Whether you're just looking to make a few extra $100 on the side, or if your goal is to make $10,000 per month every single month, this video will show you everything that you need to know. I've personally been in the online business game for a while now, and as you can see, I've been able to get pretty decent results so far and to build this kind of life for myself. And that is exactly why every single side hustle I'm going to share with you in this video, I've actually personally done it, and so I know they all work. On that channel, I never share things that I don't try or test myself. The first side hustle that you can start as a student in 2024 is tutoring other students. You can make anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour tutoring students that are in need of your help. If you're very good at English, you could teach them that. It could be advanced mathematics, biology, anything that you're good at. What's great with this side hustle is that there is a high demand for it. Millions, even billions of parents all over the world really care about the grades of their children. So if you can show them that you yourself get very good grades in, let's say, English, mathematics, biology, or any other field, if you can prove that you can help their child to get better grades in the area that they're lacking in, a lot of parents would be willing to pay you $10 to $25 per hour, like I said. So if you were to invest 10 hours in this side hustle, you could make $100 up to $250. That's definitely some nice extra cash on the side. Now the downside of this side hustle is that, like I said, you are going to be selling your time. So what this means is that very quickly, you are going to be limited when it comes to how many students you can tutor at a time. After all, you can't work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. That would be impossible. So if you're just looking to make a few extra $100 on the side, and you have some knowledge, some skills in certain fields that you could leverage, this side also could be perfect for you. However, if you want to make more money, let's say your ambition is to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, maybe even $20,000 a month, this side hustle can still be great for you. Why, you may ask? Because you could do this side hustle for a while to save up enough money to actually start a real online business, which has the potential to make you $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month. And in my opinion, that's actually the difference between a side hustle and a legit online business. With a side hustle, you might be able to make a few extra $100 per month, even sometimes a few extra $1,000 per month. But with an online business, you can make 10K, 20K, 30K, 100K per month. And technically, the sky is not even the limit. You could make millions of dollars every single year. Now, at the Fastlink Club, we help people just like you to make their first $1,000 online in just 90 days or less. If you want to learn more about it, it's the second link in the description below. Now, keep in mind that spots are limited and we don't accept every single candidate. The second side hustle I want to share with you today is flipping items on eBay. To give you an example, what you could do is that you could resell on eBay shoes that typically cost hundreds of dollars. If every single time you sell a shoe, you make $50 in profit, $80 in profit, sometimes it could even be $100 in profit. If you manage to sell only 10 pairs per month, that's already an extra $500 to $800, even $1,000 extra per month. So if you make an extra $1,000 per month, in 4 months, you would have accumulated an extra $4,000. And now with that $4,000, you can do anything you like. If you don't really care about making more money, you can spend it on things that you want. And if you actually want to make more money, now you can invest that money into building a legit online business. And again, that business could take you to 10K per month, to 20K per month. Now the tricky question and the essential part of this side hustle is, how do I actually find the shoes to resell? You can find them in thrift stores because usually the prices are going to be much lower, much cheaper. You can also go to yard sales because a lot of people might be desperate to sell the items that they're not using. So you can oftentimes find very good brands, even shoe brands, that are sold for a much cheaper price because people simply want to get rid of them. I mean, when someone is going to move to another part of the country, to another city, or even to another country, they're not really that attached to selling this one item. So oftentimes, that's the reason why you'll find much lower prices. Now, you could also go take a look at the discount stores in your area, and trust me when I said that you can find treasures in there. Now, you don't have to limit yourself to eBay only. You could also resell the shoes on Vinted, especially since the popularity of this platform just kept growing in the last recent years. Now, the third side hustle that you can start is an affiliate marketing business. So now, technically speaking, we went from starting basic side hustles, which can make you a few $100 extra per month, even sometimes a few $1,000 extra every single month, to now going in the league of actual online businesses. So with the businesses I'm going to share with you, you can make 10K, 20K, 30K, even $50,000 per month. And technically speaking, if you apply the right strategies, nothing prevents you from going to $100,000 per month. That's personally what I love about online businesses. I mean, good luck trying to find a job that will allow you to make $100,000 per month. With affiliate marketing, the big pro is that you don't have to create a product or to provide a service to another person. Because if you wanted to build a product from scratch, it would take you months, even sometimes years, in product product development research to figure out what the market needs and wants. Because I'll tell you one thing, every single successful person I've learned from, people who served as my mentors, every single one of them told me this one thing. They stayed broke, they didn't see any success whatsoever until they stopped trying to shove products down people's throats. In business, there are typically two reasons why you can fail. The first reason would be that you're selling something that people just don't want. So no matter how hard you try to push it, to sell it, if people don't want it, you'll never get the sales. And then the other reason why people typically fail in business, it's because they're selling the right thing, but to the wrong audience. It's kind of like if you're trying to sell meat to vegan people. Obviously, I'm sure that you can see it's not really going to go that well. So not only do you need to be selling the right thing, but also to the right audience. And that is why affiliate marketing is great, because you don't need to figure out what people want. You simply go find a product or a service that already works, so it's gotten proof of concept, and then you go straight to selling. Also, you won't need to worry about customer support or even service delivery. Your job is to be essentially a salesman, but compared to being a regular salesman working for a corporation, you get so much more freedom when running an online affiliate marketing business, because you can pick your own hours, work anywhere in the world. I mean, as long as you get the job done, where you are exactly, it really doesn't matter. Your customers simply don't care. So that is why online businesses bring you so much more freedom than either traditional brick and mortar businesses or regular 9-to-5 careers. So now you may be asking, okay, I want to start an affiliate marketing business. How do I find a product to resell? There are 3 easy ways that you can find a good product to resell. You can go on ClickBank, on Digistore24, or you can also just go on social media and see the popular influencers which offer an affiliate marketing program. So those are the 3 main ways to find products to resell with affiliate marketing. Now, technically speaking, you could go on Amazon.com and become an affiliate for literally almost any product that they sell. But the reason why I highly discourage you from doing that, it's because if you promote physical products like a piece of clothing, a lamp, a computer, to actually be able to make a decent income, like even just $2,000 per month, you would need to get hundreds, if not actually thousands of sales every single month. The reason being, if you only make $5 profit per sale, you'll need a lot of sales, hundreds, thousands of sales to make a decent income. Because if you make $5 in profit, if you get 10 sales per month, you're just getting $50 per month. It's not enough to do all the things that you want, to live a life of true freedom and true abundance. However, if you were to promote a high-ticket product, which costs, let's say, $2,000, if you get paid 10% of that, that's $200. So now if you manage to make 10 sales every single month, you're making $2,000 per month. That's a full-time income for many people in many parts of the world. But you get to make that money while also having the freedom to work anywhere in the world, to pick your own schedule. If you want to wake up at 8, at 10, or if on the opposite, you want to get up at 5, work extremely hard, you can do that, because you get to set your own rules. You get to choose how you live your life. So all in all, if you are going to go for affiliate marketing, I highly suggest that you promote either high-ticket products or softwares that will keep paying you every single month, as long as the customer stays subscribed to the software. If you want to learn more about how you can start your own affiliate marketing business, I've recorded a free video on YouTube that shows you exactly how you can do that. I'll leave it up here. The 4th side hustle that you can start in 2024 is to start your own YouTube channel. Now, YouTube has really changed over the years. I mean, back then, people were only using YouTube either because they wanted to just post some videos, show them to their friends, or because they wanted to become more popular, because they wanted to entertain the world. So back then, we only knew YouTubers really in the entertainment space. But nowadays, more and more businesses realized the importance of social media and the exposure that you can get for your business by being on YouTube, by making videos, by creating content. The reason why YouTube is far superior to, let's say, Instagram or even TikTok, it's because when you click publish and you release a video, months later, that video is still going to get views. Whereas if you post a video or a picture on Instagram, it's going to get very quickly drowned in the immensity of content that is being uploaded every single second. So with YouTube, you do some work, you put the piece of content online, and it's still going to work for you months down the line. Not to mention that when people consume short pieces of content, like shorts, like reels, like TikToks, they're just scrolling mindlessly, but they don't really build a connection with the person making the video. Whereas on YouTube, when you watch 10 to 15 minute long videos again and again, month after month, from the same creator, you start to feel like they're your friend. You start to feel like you know them, like you understand them. And that's also typically why influencer marketing is a lot more powerful than typical paid advertising, because you feel like you're buying from a friend. I mean, tell me, if tomorrow a friend came to you and said, you should really try this product from this company, I think you're gonna love it. Would you rather buy the product that your friend specifically recommended to you, or a product that you saw on a billboard somewhere? Of course, you'd go with the option that your friend mentioned, because you know your friend, you trust them. So if they recommended something to you, surely you would like it. Now on YouTube, there are 2 different types of channels that you can run. You can run a faceless YouTube channel. It's kind of like the news channels that you see, the unboxing channels. It can also be the compilation channels, the meditation channels, all that stuff. No one is showing their face. It's not a face cam video like this one. So anyone can start this kind of YouTube channel, and then you can start start a personal brand. It means to build a brand around yourself, around your own persona. This YouTube channel, for example, it's a personal brand. Now, there are so many advantages to YouTube. It can allow you to impact millions of people all over the world in a very positive way, and it can also allow you to make millions of dollars and to meet other very influential people. But of course, it would be too good to be true if it didn't have any downsides. The truth is, becoming successful on YouTube is extremely hard. There is a lot of competition, and if you think you're going to get to 1 million subscribers in 2 years, in 3 years on YouTube, honestly rethink the timeline, because it might take you 10 years. So all in all, if you're a beginner, I don't recommend that you start a YouTube channel solely to make money, because 99% of YouTube channels will never even get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you're curious to be in the top 1% on YouTube, you only need 95k subscribers. Yet when you look at the videos recommended to you, most of them are made by big creators who have far more than just 95,000 subscribers. So if you're not ready to put in the work for a year or two, barely seeing any results, YouTube is simply not made for you. It's really a long-term game. Now, you can still benefit from the creator economy by becoming a thumbnail designer, which is the side hustle number 5. People who want to make it big in the new creator economy need good attention-grabbing thumbnails, because they need to stand out. If you have bland, boring thumbnails, no one is going to click on your content and watch it. So if you think that having a YouTube channel is simply not for you, you could instead become a thumbnail designer for content creators. To create good, eye-catching thumbnails, you can either use Photoshop, which is a paid software, or Canva, which is basically the free alternative to Photoshop. And even though it's free, it's a very, very good software. Now, to find customers, you can simply create a profile on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or you can directly reach out to content creators. And if you want to stand out from the crowd, I recommend that when you reach out to someone, you ask them if they would like to see a thumbnail that you made for them. But instead of wasting your time making the thumbnail before they even respond to you, wait for them to respond, and if they say, yeah, sure, show me your work, then you can show them a thumbnail you made. Or the other approach is that you show them in advance your portfolio. Now, the 6th side hustle and in reality business that you can start in 2024, it is to start selling services online. When you sell services online, you can make up to 98% profit margins. This means that if you make $1,000, you keep $998. Now, with most businesses, you'd get lucky to actually make $5 in profit per unit. Like if you're into dropshipping, into Amazon FBA, if you sell physical products, your profit margins are going to be razor thin. But with a service, you get to keep most of how much money you made. Not only that, you can sell a service for $1,500 a month up to $10,000 per month. Now, you may be asking, okay, but why would people pay me that much money if I don't really have any skills or any experience? The thing is, you don't have to do the work yourself for the customers. Instead, what you do, and the way that we sell services at Consulting Fastlane, is that we get a customer, we get a contractor, a freelancer, and then we connect the two. So essentially, your job would be to be a middleman, and you would keep a part of the profits. You sign a customer, then with a part of that money, you pay a contractor. The contractor does the work for the customer, and you get to keep a huge amount of the profits. If you want to learn more about how you can start your own service-based online business, I've recorded a free video which is going to explain how you can do that in extreme depth, and I'm going to share with you for completely free the 3-step process that you can use to start your business today and to get your first customers as quickly as possible. It's the first link in the description if you want to go check it out. Now, with that said, let me know in the comments down below which of the 6 side hustles we talked about you want to start, and as always, I am waiting for you on the other side.